All right, let's finish up the more sample reactions. This is part number 2. And we left off at single replacement, the third one in there. And here's the third one, F2 plus GAI3. So we look at F2. Oh, wait, that's a negative, right? Because he's over on the right-hand side of the periodic table. So we got GA is plus 3, the I is the negative. So this time, F is going to kick off the I, right? So we're going to get the I all by itself, plus GA joins up with F this time. So it was different than the last two. The last two, the guy that was all by himself was positive. This time he's negative. So he's kicking off the negative piece. All right, let's go to the other side. Is he one of the diatomic dudes? Yes, he is. So we put a 2 there. Then we got GA. He's a plus 3 from the periodic table. F is a negative 1. So we got to crisscross that. Take the 3, put it over there. That makes our formula. Now we just got to balance it. So I got 2 F's plus, got a GA, and I got 3 I's. That's got to be equal to 2 I's plus a GA and 3 F's. All right, so we'll start with the F's. I got 1, 2 F's. I got 3 F's. So that's an odd and an even. So remember the rules on that. Go back to this guy, double him, start all over. All right, so if I start all over, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I only got 3 over here. Well, that's still an odd and an even, isn't it? So we'll go back. One thing that we can do on this is I can do this again. That would give me 6 F's. If I do that, and I add another one here, now I have 6 F's. Kind of a little like, you just got to play with them a little bit and get them to work out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some F's are even. Jump over to GA's. I got 1 GA, and I got 1, 2 GA's. So I need another one of this guy. There's my 2 GA's. Now I's, I got 3, 6, and I got 2. There's 4. There's 6. So now that's even. So everything's evened out now. So 1, 2, 3, put a 3. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. 1, 2, put a 2. And there's the final answer for that single replacement. All right, we got one more section. We got some double replacement ones to do. All right, the double replacement, the last section. So HCl plus MgOH2. All right, so now let's double replace. When we find out the positives, get the 2 positives to trade places. So H is plus 1, Mg is plus 2. So those 2 guys are going to trade. So this one's negative 1. That OH from the polyatomic ion page is negative 1. So we're going to get Mg is going to join up with the Cl. Then we get the H joining up with OH. All right, now I do my charges. So I get Mg is plus 2, Cl is minus 1. Those don't cancel each other, so we got to crisscross that. We get MgCl2. Then we got water again, plus 1, minus 1. Those guys cancel each other. All right, now we go through and balance it. So I got an HCl plus, I got an Mg, an O, and an H, but 2 times, equals an MgCl and a Cl plus an H and an OH. All right, skip the H, let's do the CLs. I got 1 CL, I got 2 CLs, so I need another one of this guy. There's my 2 CLs. Jump over MGs, I got 1 MG, 1 MG. All right, all that's left is O's and H's. H's, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side, I only got 1, 2. So let's do another one. There's my 4 H's. Now I got O's, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go, it's all done. So 1, 2, put a 2, 1, leave it blank, 1, leave it blank, 1, 2, put a 2. And there's my answer for that one. That was the first double replacement one. All right, let's do the second one. All right, second one. All right, identify the positive pieces. There's the plus 1, there's a +1. So those two guys are going to trade. This one on the polyatomic ion page is -2. It's kind of a different one we don't use very often, but then we got OH minus. That's another one from the polyatomic ion page. This one's got 2 polyatomic ions. All right, so we're going to get the Na joins up with C2. Make that look like an H. Nope, it's supposed to be an O. NaC2O4 plus, we get HOH. All right, now do my charges. Na is +1, this one's -2, so crisscross that, we get Na2C2O4. Plus, we get this guy's +1, -1, that's water again, so that stays the same. All right, so balance this guy out. I got 2 H's, 2 C's, 4 O's. Plus, I got an Na, an O, and an H. That's equal to 2 Na's, 2 C's, and 4 O's. Plus an H, an O, and an H. All right, skip the H's, do the C's. 1, 2, 1, 2. Skip the O's, NA's. I got 1 Na, I got 1, 2 Na. So I need another one of this guy. 2 Na's, 2 Na's. All right, jump back to the H's. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1, 2. Need another one of this guy. There's my 4 H's. O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my final answer. So I got 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. And there's that one. All right, last double replacement one. All right, Al2O3 plus Na2SO4. All right, identify the 2 positives. Al, he'd be a +3. Na, he's a +1. There's my 2 that are going to trade places. It's going to join up with this -2O and -2SO4. So flip-flop those. So we're going to get Na joins up with O plus the Al joins up with SO4. Now remember, don't bring any numbers across except for that 4 because it came from the polyatomic ion page. All right, Na needs a +1, O is -2. Oh, those don't cancel, so we got to crisscross it. So we're going to put a 2 down there. Then we got Al is a +3, SO4 is -2. Again, they don't cancel, so we got to crisscross it. So bring the 2 over here, and put that in parentheses and put a 3. All right, time to balance this guy. I got 2 Al's and I got 3 O's. Plus, got 2 Na's, an S, 4 O's. That's equal to 2 Na's and an O. Plus, got 2 Al's, an S, and 4 O's 3 times. So there's my bubbles. All right, start with the first element. 1, 2 Al's, 1, 2 Al's. Those are even. Skip the O's, Na's. 1, 2 Na's, 1, 2 Na's. Those are even. S's, I got 1 S. Well, I got 3 S's. Oh, I need some more of this guy. There's 2 S's. There's 3 S's. So my S's are even. But didn't I just mess up my Na's? Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side I only got 2. Let's fix that. So there's 4 Na's. There's 6 Na's. Okay, those are even now. All right. Anything else messed up? No, it's all right. So now we're going to do the O's. So O's, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This side I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sweet, we're all done. So I got 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. 1, leave it blank. And there's my answer for the last one. All right, well that concludes the more sample reactions. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.